Welcome back to my channel. Want to make something quick and easy. I'm going to show you how I make my carne picada, which is ground beef, can of tomato sauce, onion, jalapeno, a tomato, and a Mexican squash. Let's get started. So what we're going to do first is brown our ground beef. You wash your vegetables and now we're going to cut them up. You guys strain all the grease out of your ground beef before adding your vegetables. Now that all our grease is drained out pretty much, what you have to do now is put everything together. It's that simple. So you're going to put your vegetables in here. And you're going to put your tomato sauce mixture. And I'm going to add another cup of water. You're going to stir this up and let it come to a boil until your vegetables are nice and soft. Hey guys, so one thing, if you see this and it looks like it's drying out, you can add more water or another can of tomato sauce if you like. Make sure you taste it to make sure you have what you need: salt, pepper, garlic salt, and all that. So I'm going to let this sit for a little bit. Our vegetables are nice and soft. It's all done. Now it's time to serve. So we're going to pair this with a side of rice. Carne picada. And we're going to put some corn tortillas. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.